Hello friends, today with an origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a camel. First of all, you have to take 15 centimeter square paper sheet, fold it into two equal triangle halves. Now the same steps from the other side. Open the folds, turn it back. Now fold horizontally. Again from the other side. Now fold it into a square. From the other side, the same steps. Fold it from the top, press well, open the folds. Okay, now it's a bit tricky one. Do it carefully, you may stop the video to catch up. Now, the same step again from the other side. Hope you're learning it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want more tutorials like this, you can also visit our channel. Fold, then from the other side, the same steps. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they may learn how to make animals, origami. Practice well so that you may become the champion of this origami. Okay, now we have a lotus shape folds. Alright, we bend it to have a crease, then we have to fold it inwards. Actually, we are making the face of a camel. Okay, the last turn and it's done. The next step is to make legs. And for kind information, the camel is also called the boat of desert. Okay? The legs. Two of them are done, and now the other ones too. We are nearly done with our camel. But to add more detailings, now we are done with the camel. Let's add a bit detailings. Okay, make an apple shaped eye. Beautiful. Now our camel is done. See you in the next video. Till then, stay connected and bye bye.